Remember, guys, beware of the pickpocketos. They're everywhere. Okay, leaving Rome, headed for Venice. I'm liking Venice. A lot different than Rome, that's for sure. Okay, made it to Venice. But you know what? I have this. Look it. Man bag. You know, I don't know why this hasn't caught on in the States yet, but the bag, love the bag. In the US, I guess people think it's gay or something. I don't know. I swear by it, I'll never travel without a little man bag. Super convenient. All your stuff's in there. Nobody's gonna pickpocket you because it's right on your chest. They'd have to strip me naked to get all my money. And if that happened, believe me, it'd be on video. It's funny because when people come up to you and try to sell you stuff, I just go point the camera at them and they freak out. They're like, oh! store in their gym in George Michael. I can't put this on YouTube though because they'll flag it for copyright, but it's always a joke that George Michael's my man crush, which he kind of is. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Come on, I'm sure there's some 70s babies that had a crush on George Michael, along with me.
Girls and boys.
Girls and boys. We're only here for 2 days, and look at my grocery haul. On top of the bag I already got. I got 4 candy bars, 2 apples, Red Bull, water, Cocoa Krispies, eggs, crackers, coffee, Gatorade, cheese, milk.
I'm taking this with me everywhere.
And now we're getting a bottle of Bombay Sapphire. Good stuff.
It's a dry.
From now on, every stop I'll do a video of the Bombay gin, and we'll see just how far down it gets reduced over the next 2 weeks. Hopefully it'll be empty by the time we leave Italy. It's a neat little town. I like it. Cold though, because I came in January, but I guess to beat the crowd and all the people, I mean, sometimes you gotta tough it out, but let's take a little stroll. I'll take you with me for a little bit. I'm waiting to go out to eat. Pass a little time. Check this out.
I feel the weight behind my eyes. Lean towards the color that lies within. Nothing between you and I. Still you right there under my skin.